Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today I am with Andriy and we are going to do a couple salsa routine. We will be learning 4 steps and we will be dancing them side by side so you can learn at the same time with your partner. Even if you don't have a partner, you can still learn these steps. Alrighty guys, let's go through our first step, which is the basic step. So leaders will be going forward with their left foot and followers, we will be going back with our right foot. We have 1, 2, 3, and now we do the opposite and 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. Last time, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna do the same step, but facing you guys. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, our second step, which is side basic. Here we go. Leaders, you're gonna start with your left foot. Followers, we are gonna start with our right foot. We're gonna go to the side. And 1, 2, 3, side and together, side and together, side and last time, side and together, side and together. Let's do the same step facing you guys. Here we go. And side and together, side and together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Our next step is she goes, he goes, she goes. Here we go. We are going to start with a half of a basic step. And 1, 2, 3. Now, followers, we are going to turn. Leaders, you are going to do a basic step. 1, 2, 3. Now, followers, we're going to do a basic step. Leaders, you are going to turn. And 1, 2, 3. And then we repeat again. Followers, we turn. Leaders, you do a basic step. And 1, 2, 3. Let's try it. Here we go. Half a basic. And 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2. Do it again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Alrighty guys, same step facing you. Here we go. And half a basic. 1, 2, 3. And turn. 2, 3. And turn. 2, 3. And turn. 2. One more time. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Last but not least, our cross body lead. Here we go. First, I'm going to talk through the leader steps, and then we're going to come back and I'm going to talk through the follower steps. So, we have forward, back, and now we do a quarter of a turn and we step to the side. And now we do back, replace, and feet together. Okay? And now, the follower steps, we have back, forward, together, and forward, turn, together. Okay? Let's try it. And 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, same step facing you. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. One more time. And 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Alrighty guys, let's put all of our steps together. First, we will face away and one time towards you guys. And basic step, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Do it again. 1, 2, 3. Side basic. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Do it again. 1, 2, 3. She goes, he goes, she goes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now facing you. And basic step. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Side basic. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. She goes, he goes, she goes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Alrighty guys, now it's time to dance it together with your partner. Okay guys, let's go. And basic step. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And to the side. Basic. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. She goes, he goes, she goes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we go. And basic step. 1, 2, repeat. 1, 2, 3. To the side. 1, 2, 3. Side basic. 1, 2, 3. She goes, he goes, she goes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And to the side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. She goes, he goes, she goes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alrighty guys, it's time to try it with music. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.